Disable Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can disable Instagram accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to basically disable our Instagram account, all we have to do is open up the Instagram app, then tap the three lines option, or the profile icon from the bottom right. Then after that you want to tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then simply make sure to go to this option over here known as Account Center. From here simply go to the option called Personal Details. From Personal Details you want to simply go to Account Ownership and Control. From here go to Deactivation or Deletion button. So since we are trying to just disable it, we will leave at the option called Deactivate. If you want to delete it, that is totally up to you. But if it is a temporary disabling, then you can tap on Deactivate, tap on Continue, enter your password, and your Instagram account will get successfully disabled. That's all it takes to disable Instagram account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.